Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to help visitors find your physical location easily, whether you're running a local business, showcasing an event venue, or simply want to make your site more interactive and informative. First, you'll need to go to your Wix editor website. Open up your browser and navigate to your Wix site's editor where you can make all your design changes. Once you're inside the editor, you'll see your website layout ready for customization. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll notice a panel with various options. Click on the button that says Add. This is your gateway to incorporating all kinds of elements and features into your website, from text boxes and images to more advanced widgets like maps. After clicking Add, a search bar will appear at the top of the panel. In this search bar, type in the word Maps. This will filter through all the available elements and show you mapping options. From the results that appear, go ahead and click on Google Maps. This is the official Google Maps integration that Wix offers, ensuring smooth functionality and reliability. Once you click on Google Maps, the map will instantly appear on your Wix website canvas. You'll see it placed right in your design area, ready to be customized. At this point, the map is fully functional, but may need some adjustments to fit your specific needs. You can easily adjust the size of the map by clicking on it and dragging the corner handles. This allows you to make it larger or smaller depending on how prominent you want it to be on your page. You can also drag the entire map element to move its position anywhere on your website. This flexibility ensures that the map integrates seamlessly with your overall design layout. Now comes the important part of customizing what the map displays. On the top of the editor, you'll see an option that says Manage Locations. Click on this to open up the settings for your map. This is where you can control exactly what information visitors will see when they interact with your map. In the Manage Locations panel, you'll be able to input several key details. First, you can add the address of the location you want to display. This ensures that the map points to the exact spot you need. You can also add a title for the location, which will appear as a label on the map. Additionally, there's a field for a description where you can provide more context about the location, such as business hours, special instructions, or any other relevant information. If you want to add external links, you can input URLs in the links field, and you can even customize the link title to make it clear what visitors will be clicking on. And that's it. You've successfully added a fully functional Google Maps element to your Wix website, complete with all the custom details your visitors need to find you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.